Recent layoffs leave thousands out of work and looking for answers.
Derek James talked with one Twin Cities business leader who shares how to bounce back and turn setback into opportunity.
Target's announcement on Tuesday about corporate layoffs impacting more than 800 employees in the Twin Cities is a major blow, as layoffs have been piling up all year. Through July, layoffs and discharges total 217,000 in Minnesota, which is over 10% higher than the same period in 2024. In a tight job market, some job seekers will have to reinvent themselves.
Take a breath. It's okay to feel upset or uncertain right now. This moment is tough. Sometimes a pivot could be a good thing.
Maha Abouelenein, a Twin Cities-based communications strategist and entrepreneur, says bouncing back starts by knowing your value.
I want you to ask yourself, what are people coming to me for? What did people like? Was I a problem solver? Was I leading teams? Was I calm under pressure? Those skills are transferable, and they're going to help you land your next role.
Her second tip, build your presence, especially online.
Using that real estate on your LinkedIn to talk about who you are, your bio, your experience. Spend 15 minutes a day at least on LinkedIn, commenting on people's posts, sharing articles.
Third, network with purpose.
I don't want anyone watching this who has lost their job to go and ask for a job. You know, you can say, I'm trying to figure out what's next, and I'd love to get some advice from you or get your perspective.
Maha's fourth point, your reputation is your brand.
Your name is the only thing you own. Show up with consistency, show up with integrity, and share your insights.
And finally, stay low and keep moving.
Take the time that you have right now, if you've been laid off from your job, to invest in yourself. No one's going to put you at the top of your priority list but you.
Abouelenein says the goal isn't just to find another job, but to also rebuild confidence and momentum. Derek James, WCCO News.
Now, for those who have been unemployed for 6 months or more, that expert suggests volunteering or doing some work to get your foot in the door. And still ahead this hour, we have a financial expert with some advice for navigating those still trying to stay afloat without a paycheck.